The first lesson of TLA is the 5S methodology, popularized by Taichi Ono, father of 5S methodology, introduced by the Japanese. 5S methodology is standardized process that when properly implemented creates and maintains an organized, clean, safe, and efficient workplace. The first 5S methodology example is series sort, means separating of essential to non-essential materials. The second is seton and straighten, organizing of essential materials where everything has its own place. The third is seso shine, cleaning the working area. The fourth is Shiketsu, standardized, establishing a system to maintain and make 5S a habit. The last and not but the least, the fifth is Shitsuke, sustain, establishing of safe and sanitary environment. The lesson of TLA is cleaning. The process of removing food and other types of soil from a surface such as dish, glass, or cutting board. Cleaning is done with a cleaning agent that removes food, soil, or other substances. The cleaning compound first is detergent. Cleaning agents, solvents, or any substances used to wash tableware, surface, and equipment. Examples of detergent: soap, soap powder, and cleaner, etc. The second, solvent cleaner, designed to remove and dissolve grease and oil. The third, acid cleaners, used to regular time and removing mineral deposits in other soils that detergents cannot eliminate. The fourth is abrasives, are generally used to remove heavy accumulation of soil that are difficult to remove with detergents, solvents, and acids. The other chemicals, ammonia, dishwashing liquid, chlorine, abrolic acid, tamsin, disinfects, and soap. The taste and warning of cleaning. Number 1. Wash glassware first before greasy pots and pans. Second, rubber gloves will protect your hands and allow hotter water for dishwashing. Third, dishes weigh hand dried with clean cloth. Number 4. Try adding baking soda to soapy water and removing grease easily. Number 5. Never dump sharp objects like knives into soapy water. Number 6. Laundry detergents should not be used for hand washing machine dishes. And lastly, keep dishwashing liquid out of the reach of the children.
The third lesson in first quarter is fundamental cleaning procedures. First is scrape and rinse. Surfaces are scraped and rinsed with warm water to remove loose food soils. Number 2, cleaning cycle is removal of residual food soils from equipment surfaces by the use of chemical solutions. Number 3, rinse. Rinse all surfaces with cold to hot water. Remove all remaining chemical solution. Number 4, acid rinse. A mild acid rinse of the equipment neutralizes any alkaline residues left and mineral soil present. Lastly is sanitize. All equipment surfaces are rinsed off flooded with a sanitizing agent.
The fourth lesson in first quarter is methods of cleaning equipment. Foam. Foam cleaning is a form of soap washing that uses low pressure foam to clean surface. High pressure. Used to release mechanical force, aiding in soil removal. In high pressure cleaning, chemical detergents are often and along with an increased temperature to make soil removal more effective. Clean in place is commonly established cleaning methods in food and beverage manufacturing operations. CIP is designed to remove residual product and biofilms from processing lines and equipment using turbulent cleaning fluid without the need to dismantle the equipment. Clean out of place. A method of cleaning equipment items by removing them from their operation area and taking them to a designed cleaning station for a cleaning. Mechanical. It normally involves the use of brush either by hand or a machine such as floor scrubber. Mechanical cause friction for food soil removal. The fifth topic in first quarter is factors that influence the cleaning procedure. Soil burying degrees. A food soil will be deposited on the equipment during production. These food soils require complete removal during the cleaning process. Time. The longer the cleaning solution remains in a contact with the equipment surface, the greater the amount of food soil that is removed. Temperature. Soils are affected by temperature in varying degrees. In the presence of a cleaning solution, most soils become more readily soluble as the temperature increases. Chemical concentration. It varies depending on the chemical itself, type of food soil, and the equipment to be cleaned. Concentration will be normally reduced as time and temperature are increased. Mechanical force. As simple as hand scrubbing with a brush or a complex and turbulent flow and pressure inside a pipeline. This aids in soil removal and typically reduce time, temperature, and concentration requirement. Water. Mineral in hard water can reduce the effectiveness of some detergents or as sanitizers. Clean in place. Describes system and equipment used in flood processing that can be cleaned and sanitized without being disassembled or removed. Clean out of place denotes system equipment that must be disassembled, released, or especially treated in order to clean and sanitize them.
Sixth lesson in first quarter: cleaning, sanitizing, sterilizing, and disinfecting. Cleaning, on its own, does not kill or truly remove bacteria or viruses from surface, but it is still essential. Cleaning should always be performed before sanitizing, disinfecting, and sterilizing, because it improves the effectiveness of each process. Sanitizing, reduce the amount of bacteria on a surface but does not kill or destroy bacteria. Sanitizing also does not kill or destroy viruses from surface. Rather, it lowers the amount of bacteria on a surface to a safe level as judged by public health standards. Disinfecting kills or inactivates but the bacteria and viruses identified on the product's label from surface. Disinfectants are the only product approved by the EDA to kill viruses on hard surface. Sterilizing destroy or eliminate all fungus or microbial life, not just bacteria on viruses. Sterilizing is something the average person will need to do in their home. It is most common in surgical rooms or laboratory rooms.
History of appetizers. Appetizers were originally introduced by Athenians as a buffet in the early 3rd century BC. They would serve sea urchins, pupils, sturgeon, and garlic. However, they were unpopular to start as these tiny meals weren't followed up with a main course, leaving everyone hungry and wanting more. It wasn't until the 19th century that appetizers truly caught on, as meals involved into more of a structured ordeal. Aperitifs come about by the Romans and were classified as liquid appetizer that typically contained alcohol. The purpose for aperitifs also meant to help the digestion process. Aperitifs are still utilized today, typically with the company of the food appetizers. The word itself, appetizer, being used in the Americas and England in the 1860s, truth its only reason for existence wants to have with more of a local flavor than horse diablos. For a while, appetizers would be served between the main course and the dessert as a refresher. On the other hand, it is said that appetizers are the dishes that truly we consider as Filipinos. We are best known for using our hands to eat small finger foods that come with the first course. Appetizers can include anything from fish to meat, nuts, and cheese. They are often served before dinner at large family lunches. In place. Mise en place is a French term which means let in place. That is, you have everything ready to cook and its place. There are different kinds of kitchen tools and equipment. Let's start with a bowl cutter. Sharp-edged scoop for cutting out balls of fruits and vegetables. Rubber spatula, used to scrape off content of bowls. Channel knife, small hand tool in making garnishes. Spatula, used for manipulating foods like spreading. Wire whip, used for mixing thinner liquid. Zester, used to remove zest of citrus peels in thin strips. Branch knife, for chopping and slicing and dicing. Paring knife, used for trimming and paring fruits and vegetables. Butter curler, used for making butter curls. Cutting board, boards for cutting fruits and vegetables. Kitchen shear, cutting device for ingredients. Potato masher, designed to press potato and cook vegetables. Chiller, for keeping cold chilled preservatives. Oven, for baking. Measuring spoons, measuring either liquid or dry. Measuring cups, measuring liquid or bulk solid. Mixing bowls, mixing ingredients together. Mixing spoons, stirring, especially thick sturdy mixtures. Fork, container, holding a product used in storage. Stove, for cooking. Refrigerator, for chilling. Strainer, separating wanted elements from wanted.
The last lesson of first quarter is classification of appetizers. Cocktails, usually juice, orange, pineapple, grapefruit, or tomato served with cold salad dressing. Hors d'oeuvres, small portion of highly seasoned food. Canapé are made out of thin slices of bread in different shapes. Relishes, crowdice. Pick item which are raw crisp vegetables. Petite salad. Small portion are usually crisply the characteristic found in most salad. Chips and dips. Popular accompaniments to potato chips, crackers, and raw vegetables. Fresh fruit and vegetables are the simplest appetizer. Anything smaller, varieties of appetizer wherein the only requirement is that you keep everything small.
Audio Jungle.